What's up, y'all? We're here at Cedar Ridge Nature Preserve in Dallas. We are just doing a little initial test of our packs and stuff, getting ready to take a trip through the Ozarks later this year that we've been kind of planning. We're just going to test we put all of our stuff in our packs, or some of it except for what, food?
Yeah, except food. We have everything else.
And we may have a little water, and I may have like a drone and a little bit more camera equipment, which should be like I should probably be like 5 to 10 pounds heavier than I am now.
Yeah, and we added extra weight to our packs just to make up for the food and everything too.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful Sunday. It's like 9 a.m. and this bitch is packed. So if you do come here, it's a great spot for hiking. But if you do come here, make sure you come early because they're only letting one car in as one car leaves. So, all right, well, yeah, let's hit the road.
Yep,
let's weigh our packs and then let's get to it.
Let's do it.
First of all, the 75-liter motherfucker. What you at? About 30.4.
Oh, here we go.
30.4.
Yep. Cool.
And the 60-liter Kelty, which is at 30.
30.9. Days, so it's better for
That's what I said. This is the Vista little thing. This is the viewpoint. So you can see out onto the highway out in Dallas. So all right, so we're pulled off of the trailhead. What, like about 2.5 miles in. Feeling all right. I'm gonna have to actually check my fucking water because I might have gone through it already. So my quick disconnect for the bottom had come loose. It wasn't leaking, but it was not drawing water.
Was it good now?
Huh?
Good now?
Oh yeah, you're good now. I got plenty. I was like, there's no way in like 2.5 miles I could drink all the fucking water. Let me repack my life. We'll be on our way. Well, I guess that's one thing to watch then, huh? Yep. If that quick disconnect is gonna come loose while I'm jostling around. How you feeling though? Legs good? Bags good? Bags riding on it?
Yeah, I just needed some water.
Yeah, you gotta take the water breaks.
Yep.
I mean, we're both just sweating.
Oh yeah, I'm pouring.
Same.
Yeah.
Good practice. Good practice.
Yep. Well, that's the whole point of coming out here.
I know. like I'm missing a strap here somewhere. So many straps, all the straps. Yeah. All right, so we're about 3 miles, what, hour and a half in is what I said?
Yep.
Kind of feeling it a little bit. We're sweating.
Definitely.
You know, obviously we need to train a little bit more to get into this kind of shape. That shit is pretty steep, you know.
Very steep.
Got about 2 or 3 miles left, I think is what's left
Yep.
in the trail. So I think we should hit that peak on the other side of the lake, if I remember right. So we're just taking little breaks every time we go up to the top of this bullshit, getting our water in. Because another thing we've noticed is we are sweating like a motherfucker.
Yep, need that water.
Is that all you brought?
No, I brought
Okay.
2 of these and then 32 ounces.
Good. Yeah.
2 liters.
So if we do this on the big show, we're gonna know. Fuck, we're gonna need to bring water, and then we're gonna need to probably stop and filter it too, because I'm going through it a lot faster than I thought I would. You know, that shit is sweat covered. All good. All right, well, we're gonna take a little break, and then we're gonna hit it again. Yeah.
Yep.
miles, 551 feet of elevation. It took us 2 hours 16 minutes and about 26 minutes per mile. 28.1. Yep. And that's after all the water and stuff.
That's, yeah. 27.8.
How do you feel after that?
I feel good. The little tired, but that's to be expected. That's the whole point of coming on out.
You could do it 3 more times right now?
No.
No, I gotta train a little bit.
I think 2. I could do 2. 3 would be rough.
Cool. Yeah. I echo that.
All right.
Yeah. So we'll pack up.